Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Allure beauty box. Now I did pay with this for my own money. This is only my second box that I've ever gotten from them. Originally it was $23, but it went up to $25, I think, this month. So if you don't know what Allure Beauty Box is, I believe that the Allure beauty editors pick all the items in this box, and everybody gets the same items. Nobody gets anything different. So there's no beauty quizzes to take or anything like that. But I haven't opened it yet. The seal is still there. So let's crack in. Get going. I don't know if it says anything inside. So this is what the box looks like. There's always a pamphlet in here with a beautiful model on the front. And all the items that are in this box are in this pamphlet with everything you need to know. And then they send like a beauty bundle card telling you that you can get 50% off and whatnot. Anyways, all right, this is everything in the box. So the first thing that I see is a Tarte product, and it is called a Quick Stick Waterproof Shadow and Liner. Interesting. So I got the color Rose Gold and Luster Black. Let's crack open into this box. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see. So one end is the eyeshadow. Let's swatch it. So it's definitely giving me some golden champagne vibes. And then on the other end is the liner. Oh, that's like super creamy. So that's what that looks like. I'll have to give this a go sometime. I'm not really a huge eyeshadow stick person. I prefer like a pan, a palette, anything like that. All right, next thing in the box that I see is by Mud Masky, and it is a Moisture Boost, Vitamin Boost, Feeding, Nourishing, Firming Eye Serum. In tiny little print, eye serum. So that's a really, really big container for eye serum. Holy cow. Usually you get like a little pan, a little squeeze tube. This is huge. I'm excited for that. All right. Next thing I see is a little baby Cetaphil. Not everything in this box is going to be full size. I meant to say that earlier. Some are full size, some are travel size. So this is a deep hydration skin restoring water gel. So I like Cetaphil. I'm not huge on Cetaphil. I'll have to give it a go, maybe take it along with me the next time I go on vacation. So the next thing is, ooh, okay. It's a sunscreen. It's a tinted sunscreen, SPF 50 by Coats. That's nice to have like in my beach bag. I wonder what the tint is. If it's sealed, then I'm not going to be opening it. Yeah, it's sealed. All right, next thing is a hand and body cream. It's made out of goat milk, and it's by the company Dionys, and it's a milk and honey scent. Might give this to my mom. I'm not gonna crack open this. She loves hand creams. All right. The next thing is, okay, this one's by Belief. This product you can find in Sephora, and it's their Aqua Bomb Overnight Lip Mask. I've had Belief before. I've tried their face cream. Their packaging is very minimalistic. It's pretty cute. Ooh, okay. Kind of reminds me of Vaseline. I'll have to give that a go tonight before bed. And then the last thing in here I see, little ASMR for you, is by, I'm gonna botch this name, Meow, Roseberry and Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. So that's what the bottle looks like. It's glass. It's really nice. It's got like a glass dropper. Oh my, it's very minty. I'm gonna have to try this out. If I don't like it, because my scalp is pretty picky. My whole, all my skin is picky. I'm gonna have to pass that along to my mom. She loves hair products. She loves everything, makeup. So this is what I got. The hair and scalp oil. The Belief cream. The sunscreen. The hand and body cream. Eye serum, which is huge. The Cetaphil water gel cream. And then eyeshadow and an eyeliner by Tarte. So all in all, it's not a bad box. Not my favorite. I'm more makeup, eyeshadows, bronzers, things like that. So I don't know if I'm going to be keeping this box or if I'm going to be staying with this box, because I still get my BoxyCharm and I don't want to keep both. Let me know what you guys think about this box. Would you keep it? Would you just get rid of it? What would you do? And that's it. Have a great day, guys. See you in the next one.